Today we're going to talk about one word that is very easy to use, but many people have trouble using it, so we're going to look at how to use it. This word is put. Put. Or more American, put. Put. So, when you use the verb put, you always have an object. And also you have a preposition. A preposition in, at, on, under. So, for example, I'm going to put my ring on my finger. I put my ring on my finger. Then I'm going to put my watch on my wrist. Going to put my watch on my wrist. Oh, backwards, that's okay. And then I'm going to put the glove on my hand. Okay. I'm going to put the card in my wallet. I'm going to put my wallet in my pocket. I'm going to put my pen behind my ear. No. I'm going to put the tiger balm on my neck because my neck is sore. I have a sore neck. My neck is sore. So I put the tiger balm on my neck, and then I put the lid back on the tiger balm. Okay, so you put something on something, put something in something. So if you're giving someone a drink, you first, to be polite, you can say, would you like, instead of do you want. Do you want is a little bit casual. Would you like is nicer. So you can ask first, just, would you like ice? That's easy. If you want to use put, you can ask, would you like me to put ice in is the preposition, in it. Would you like me to put ice in it? Or, would you like me to put ice in your drink? But you can't just say, do you want to put ice? Because if you use put, you need a preposition. Put something in something. Put something on something. And would you like me to put ice in it is a bit long. It's correct, but it's long. So if you're giving someone a drink, I actually just recommend saying, would you like ice in it? Would you like ice in your water? Would you like ice in your drink? But if you use put, use a preposition. Put my wallet on my head. Put my wallet in my pocket. Put the paper towels in front of the camera. Put something somewhere. Put something, preposition, place. Put this on this, put this in front of, yes.